As a business owner, you have a lot going on. You manage customers, employees, never-ending expectations, and have little time to do it. Managing your website adds to the mix. The internet, like your business, moves fast and includes a million ways to do things. Some ways involve shortcuts, cutting corners, and doing things the quick way. Some ways involve templates, and let's face it, what other facet of your business runs off of a template? Some ways involve being told no, or it's not possible. And some ways include not being listened to.
We didn't have the ability to have the different reports, the different formats, all of the things that would be helpful in us as a growing business. We knew the information was there, but we couldn't get it out, and we couldn't find people to do it for us. Many other companies would come in and say, you know, this is it, we're going to own the site, you have to do this, this, and this. And we all said, that doesn't feel right.
Well, prior to JB Systems, we had a software system that we needed 365 days a year to operate our business. Problem was the system wasn't real reliable, and yet there was no backup and no one that understood the code used to run our software.
Well, at JB Systems, we realize every business is different and has a unique set of challenges that require an even more unique set of solutions. Solutions that work.
The solution for JB Systems was two-phase, is to understand what you have now, let's dig into it, see what you have, and make it reliable.
We realize that you need a partner that says, yes, we can. A partner that, in today's age, takes the time to listen. And to be quite frank, a partner that just gets the job done.
Jerry said, you know, we can do this for you, and we can do it at this price. And it came through as really being quite affordable.
What if you found a web development team that actually listened, and a partner that said yes? Well, I'm happy to introduce the possibility of yes, provided exclusively by JB Systems.
JB Systems met our challenges in many unique ways. They always had a positive attitude, and as you'd lay out a program, you never heard no. You never heard it's not possible, because they made it work.
And they not only said, we'll do it, but take a look to see how your system is running. We'll learn that, and then we'll develop a new system using what we've learned plus what we know with your needs and come to a complete solution.
As we had our program developed to keep track of our grower data and our sales, this great solutions in that it allowed us access on the cloud. So any of our salespeople could be anywhere to help us keep track of our sales. Our grower database could be accessed. If someone was out of the office, they could look at it on their iPad and take care of it. It was just a great solution for those of us who travel globally, because most of our beans are sold throughout the world and we're not all in the same place. So it was a solution that wasn't cumbersome. I think the ability for them to ask questions and then to listen to what you were saying made everything possible. And so we were very fortunate for that.
With the possibility of yes, it's about your website working the way you want it. It's about designers focused on your look and your feedback. It's about a team taking the time to understand the bigger picture and creating something to last years, growing, evolving, and succeeding alongside you and your business. It's about being in charge of your website, backed by an award-winning team of enthusiasts, designers, and developers alike. Welcome to JB Systems. Welcome to your team of yes.